So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-send ng documents or files sa ating Telegram app. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Telegram account or yung ating Telegram app. And then, pagka-open guys, pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation kung saan gusto nyo mag-send ng files or documents. So, open nyo lang. And ayan guys, mula dito sa conversation, itap nyo lang yung file button na nandito sa my type a message. And then, after nyan guys, dito sa baba kung makikita nyo, ilalabas dyan ng mga options. So, piliin nyo lang dito yung file, tap nyo lang yung file. And then, piliin nyo guys or hanapin nyo kung saan nakasave yung isisend nyo na documents or file. So, piliin ko na lang isa internal storage. And then guys, tap nyo lang yung specific document. And once guys na tinap nyo yung document na yun or files, nag-auto send na agad siya katulad nito. So once guys na may checkmark na yung documents, ibig sabihin, successfully na-send na natin yung documents or files. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-send ng documents sa ating Telegram app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new uploads. And thank you for watching!